Hi, it's Danny here from the Whiteboard blog, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the redesigned presenter tool in Google Slides. Google have done a bit of a revamp for the presenter tool within Google Slides. It's a lot more streamlined, there's less clutter, so we'll take a quick look. I'm going to run the presentation, so up in Google Chrome I shall click up on my present tool, it'll go full screen, and then down the bottom here you'll find your new presenter tool. Only 4 buttons on here now, much smaller, got a less active hotspot, so you're not going to click it accidentally, but if you want to use it, go down to the bottom corner and you'll find your 2 arrows for going forwards and going backwards. You'll find the slide number you're on and a quick shortcut to the slide picker, so you can find the slides you want to go to straight away. And then the important bit is these 3 dots on the right hand side. So if you click on the 3 dots, that'll open up the options menu. We have a choice of clicking the speaker notes, getting the laser pointer, exiting full screen, stopping presenting completely, and also autoplay, so you can let the slides run every few seconds. You can put it onto a loop as well if you want to. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll also see here the caption preferences, so let's turn on the captions. So let's turn on captions now. It'll shrink the screen and it should start to listen to me and put subtitles up on the bottom of the screen as well, which is a fantastic little tool for accessibility. Doesn't always work brilliantly. More often than not it's getting what I'm saying, which is pretty cool. Right, back down the bottom here, I'm going to click on the options menu here, click on more. We have the option to open up the Q&A facility, so I can click on Q&A. And this will allow you to ask questions of your audience. I can start that. It'll basically put a URL at the top which people can put into their browser, and they can then ask you questions during the presentation, which is a lovely little tool. And then the other options you've got here are things like download as PDF and PowerPoint. You can print and also get your keyboard shortcuts up here as well. So a really useful redesign. It's a whole lot sleeker. Hope you like this video, hope you found it useful. As always, subscribe, post questions in the comments, get in touch with me via my blog or via the YouTube channel here, and I'll post more videos about Google and other tips and tricks on other bits of software soon. Thank you very much for listening. Cheers.